Hey YouTube. So I figured I'd save myself 200 bucks and do my own brakes. So I have a Cube e-bike and I'm upgrading the Magura MT7 Pros. I got halfway through and I started wondering how I'm going to get off the center lock. So here, I spent $20 on the Shimano. Let's see if the focus will get it. Shimano FC32. Well, that didn't work. Then I bought the park tool, which everyone on YouTube recommends. That didn't work either. So Cube, their damn center lock, well, this one's the one I drilled and I ryobi'd on, but here, just to give you an example. Normally this is how they look. The problem with this is, right here, this comes up and all the tools start to slip off because of that little edge. And if you look, there's a lot of play now. That tool was brand new, it didn't have that much play. I don't know if they do this at 40 Newton meters or more, because I've been trying to get this thing off for like 2 days now on this one. So I went through 2 tools. I'm at the point where I'm drilling it. I got a notch and I'm gonna knock it loose because nothing else has worked. So, trusty drill bit, I broke it actually just a minute ago going sideways. But I got that notch in. So now, I just need to see if I can get it loose. So let me try to set the phone up so you can see this. I'm about to beat the crap out of this thing with a hammer. So this is center lock versus ryobi drill versus hammer and screwdriver. And that's what it took. This tool wouldn't work. Let's see now since it's loose. Let's see if I can actually get it off. Oh, look at that. Piece of crap. So, I will not spend the $40 on a park tool again because aluminum doesn't hold up. It just falls apart. I figured I'd go more expensive and buy the actual Shimano tool. That one didn't work either. But you know what works? A drill and 2 days of my life. But look at this. Now I can take these craps off. Ah, crap. I drilled too close. Well, I'd probably ruin this one. I guess I need a new hub now. Well, that's the end of this video.